it is about 9:30 in the morning and I'm on my way to Osage State Park in Pawhuska. It is nasty outside. I've also got another thing going on today from 10 till noon. I'm going to a kayaking workshop. It's snowing now. Pretty. Hopefully my kayak doesn't fly off. Some big flakes. Well, I'm late as usual. Man, Bill, you need to chill out, relax. Just don't worry about it. It's just an adventure. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't. When I get there, if nobody's there or it's over, then I just missed it. Well, I am at the Jinx High School and I'm an hour and 15 minutes late, and apparently the instructor that was running this left about 15 minutes ago. So, no kayak workshop. That's the way it goes. That's what I get. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna head to my destination. I heard that they've got like 5 or 6 inches of snow over in Stillwater, so hopefully they got 2 or 3 inches of snow up in Osage County. We'll see what happens. That sucks. Got my kayak and everything. Oh well. Alright, now the fun part. Let's see if I can get a fire going. Lunch. Get some lunch going. I don't know what these are. Some sort of soup. So here in a little while I'm going to go do some hiking and go check out the creek and see if it's actually floatable. It's supposed to clear up. It's going to be a clear, cold night, I'm hoping. I'm going to try to do a time lapse of the stars. Maybe with a few clouds. Be kind of cool. So I like making coffee with this little French press right here. This seems to be the way to go. During our 30-day trip out west, we used a Chemex, which made some really good coffee, but it was kind of slow, and the coffee often got cold before I was able to drink it. My daughter works for these guys right here, this company, Coffee Slingers, and so she ensures that I'm drinking the right kind of coffee instead of the cheap stuff, which is what I usually drink at home. But she says this is the way to go, and she'd be mad at me if I was making a big old cup of Folgers. So today we're gonna have Coffee Slingers Honey Pacamara. We'll see how that goes. I was gonna make a fire this morning, but I changed my mind. It's getting late. I woke up late, which is a good thing. It means I slept good. And so I think I'm gonna go on a hike instead of taking all the time to build a fire and all that. So I'm gonna make myself a couple cups of coffee, just hang out for a few minutes, then take a hike and go ahead and head back towards Tahlequah. Nothing like waiting for water to boil.
popular definition for the word adventure is an exciting and remarkable experience. Often people think that in order to experience real adventure, they must engage in new challenges in far-flung exotic places, like bungee jumping over the Grand Canyon, for example. Truth is, an adventure can be had anywhere, oftentimes only requiring a simple challenge, like a hike in the woods. This was not my first trip to Osage State Park. However, visiting the park after a winter storm turned a simple weekend hike in a familiar place into an exciting and remarkable experience. In other words, an adventure. Thanks for watching.